So let's continue using the same method of complements for our multiplication. We're going to move into 2 digits. For the sake of ease, we're going to stay closer to the base numbers for now, just so that you understand how the concept works. In the following chapters, we'll move on to multiplying complex numbers. But for now, we're going to stick to numbers that are close to base. So let's take first example is 94 times 98. Okay, as I spoke earlier, we're going to stay close to the base. You can tell this is closer to the number 100. So we're going to start looking for complements of both these numbers, and let's use a different color. Now we know the complement of 94 is 6 and 98 is 2. You can see something different I did here. I wrote a preceding 0 before the numbers. That's because we have a 3-digit base, so your complement is going to be in 2 digits. 3-digit base and complements are 2 digits. Again, they are negative because they are less than our base. Okay. So what do we get here? Just like we did previously with single digits, we do the same thing with the double digits. We can either subtract 2 from 94, or we can subtract 6 from 98. What do we get? We get 92 here, and we multiply these two. So 6 into 2 is 12, and voila. Is this exciting or not? Sure, you can use a calculator, but how cool it is that you're able to now quickly perform double-digit multiplications in your head. Let's do some more examples, and you will start getting the proficiency. Let's do this. 98 minus 91. So 98 into 91. Once again, this is closest to our base of 100, and we're going to find the complements, and this is 02 and this is 09. So what do we do next? Same thing as we have been doing this. We subtract either or. So 91 minus 2 we know is 89. It's the same. 98 minus 9 is also 89. And then 2 into 9 is 18. So let's do a couple more. We're going to do 96 into 89. Same thing, the complements. Here is 4, and here is 11. And we're once again going to do the same method. Either you do 96 minus 11, or you do 89 minus 4. Let's just do 89 minus 4, it's easier. It's 85. And 11 into 4 is 44. Cool. let's just verify for the sake of kicks, and we make sure that what we're doing is correct. So here we go, 96 times 89, 8544. How cool is that? And here we're gonna do 98 times 91, 8918. That's the answer we have. So again, like I said, you can definitely do these with calculators, but I think it's pretty cool that you can do these with in your head, especially when you're going through an examination in your schools or colleges, and you can save any amount of time not pulling out the calculator and punching in the numbers, and quickly just do these type of calculations in your head. Let's do a few more examples. Next is 97 into 82. 97, 82. It's going to be a little challenging, but let's see how challenging. Now the base is 100. So here our complement is 3. Here our complement is 18. Now, if you remember the formula, all from 9 and last from 10. So in all these double digits, that's exactly what we've been doing to find our complements. All from 9 and last from 10. So if it's 9 minus 9, we get a 0, and 10 minus 7. So that complement would be 3. Similarly here, all from 9 and last from 10. So for 8, 8's complement from the base of 9 would be 1, and 2's complement from the base of 10 would be 8. So you don't have to perform a direct subtraction as to what is 100 less 82. You can always use the formula all from 9 and last from 10 to find out your complements. And what do we get here now? So 97 minus 18, or 82 minus 03. We're going to do 82 minus 03 gets us 79. And 18 times 3, we know it's 54. Now, even though if you can't do these multiplications of double digit into single digit for now, don't worry. We will learn that method in the upcoming chapters. But this particular chapter is going to focus strictly on multiplying using the base method. Let's do one more problem. Let's do 96 times 97. As again, it's closer to our base of 100. So our complement of 96 is 04, and complement of 97 is 03. And we did the same thing. Either or subtraction. So 96 minus 03 is 93, and 4 into 3 is 12. Now you ought to be very excited after learning this method. You can definitely go and talk to your friends and maybe brag a little bit, but if you teach them of how to perform or how to use this method, it's going to solidify your own practice, your own training. It will grow your confidence the more and more you practice. So now let's move on to the next step would be to perform 3-digit multiplications. Let's try this one here. 999 times 998.